Hey, it's Jeff Hartman, the Neptune Man. I know it's been a while since I have created a video for you guys. I might be a little rusty, so please bear with me. November is here already. I can't believe November is here. This year is just flying by. What I want to do for you guys is I want to give you a special offer when you rent the Neptune bearing toolkit for November of 2018. I want to include a free belt. Yeah, no charge. So that's $26 savings. So every toolkit order I get from November 1st to November 30th of 2018, I will go ahead and throw in a belt. And when you get these belts, make sure, they're very tight. And I've had clients send them back and say, hey, it's belt's too short, but it's not. It's the right belt. It's just that they want that belt super tight because there's no tensioner. So it's just between the two pulleys, the motor and the large pulley. So the belt will fit, but I do give you a link to a special video I made on YouTube. You can watch that, and it shows a technique you can do to put that belt on, and makes it much easier. Okay, and then you can save your old belt for a spare, or you could just keep using the old belt until you want to replace it, and then you could just keep the new belt ready for action. So it's up to you. If your belt still looks pretty good, you can still use it and just keep the new one. That's no problem. But November of 2018 is a free belt, and I was also thinking about watching those young men put that, they're actually working that tool, and this would be a great learning experience if you have children or if you have grandchildren. Why not let them help you replace your bearings on your Neptune? Because it's a great learning experience, and they can learn some mechanics of how things work, like pulleys and belts, and they might just be curious and fascinated to see what's inside that Neptune. Okay, and that'd be a great opportunity for you guys. So keep that in mind when you perform your bearing replacement. Okay, now I know kids these days like to play video games and stay inside on the couch and do stuff, but it's good to get them to do things like this so they can learn, and they might grab on to an interest in mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, because once they see how things work, they can understand that mechanical properties of what's going on. Who knows, they might latch on to that as a career. Okay, so neptunebearing.com if you want to contact me. November 2018, this special is for, okay, a free belt with all your toolkit rentals. If you have any questions, give me a shout, email, or give me a call. Okay, thanks. This is Jeff Hartman, the Neptune Man, and I appreciate you.